Hey there, music lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of DJ remixes and learn how to generate one for your mobile device. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what a DJ remix is. A remix is a new version of a song created by taking the original audio and adding new elements, such as beats, sounds, or even vocals. It's a fun way to give an old song a fresh twist and can be a great way to express your creativity. Now, let's talk about how to generate a DJ remix for your mobile device. There are several apps available that can help you create your own remixes, and they're pretty user-friendly. Here's a quick guide on how to use one of these apps. 1. Download the app of your choice from the App Store or Google Play. 2. Choose a song from your library or upload one from your device. 3. Select the part of the song you want to remix. 4. Add your own beats, sounds, or vocals. 5. Preview your remix to make sure you're happy with the results. 6. Save your remix and share it with your friends. Remember, the best part about creating your own remixes is that you can express your creativity and have fun with it. There's no right or wrong way to do it, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of creating your own DJ remixes. Not only is it a great way to express your creativity, but it can also be a fantastic way to learn more about music production. By creating your own remixes, you'll gain a better understanding of how music is made and how different elements can be combined to create something new and exciting. In conclusion, creating your own DJ remixes for your mobile device is a fun and creative way to express yourself and learn more about music production. So, what are you waiting for? Download an app, choose a song, and get started on your first remix. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more music-related content. Until next time, keep creating and keep having fun.